Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'll be making some delicious polenta. So if you haven't made polenta before, this is a perfect recipe for you. It is gluten-free and it is healthy. I am using here vegetable stock, but you can use water. That's perfectly fine. I have 3 cups here. I have 1 cup of polenta, and I have some minced garlic, 1 teaspoon, and I have about, I'd say, 3/4 of a cup of onions, half of a teaspoon of avocado oil. Okay, onions. This will give it a nice flavor. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It is totally free. Hit the bell so you can get your notifications as well. I do lives every Friday at 8 p.m. here on YouTube and also on my Facebook page as well. Thanks everyone for joining me on both. Once this starts to smell really good, the onions start to look translucent, I am going to add my garlic. It's just 1 teaspoon of garlic. Now I will add my vegetables broth. I will add 1/2 teaspoons of salt. That's Himalayan salt. Mix that around. Okay, so once your stock comes to a simmer, you're going to add your polenta, right? You're adding it slowly and you're continuously whisking. You want to keep whisking so it won't have any lumps. Okay, so that's important. We don't want any lumps in our polenta. So you will need a whisk for this. Continuous whisk, okay? You don't stop whisking. You don't stop whisking. Continuous whisk. See what I'm doing here? Continuous whisk. Okay? There you go. Perfect. And you're going to continue to do this. Continue to mix this around here. We don't want it to burn. Starting to look really good. Okay, I'll be back again in 5 minutes to do the same thing. Okay, 5 minutes later. Okay, to prevent this from burning, I have to keep stirring it. Okay, my healthy people, so our polenta is pretty much done. So what I am going to do is add some vegan Parmesan. Okay, and this I made myself. I will link it in the description box how you can make your own, and I'm just gonna mix that around with it. It's so good. Let's dish this out and enjoy it. Okay, my healthy people, this is completely done. Tastes so yummy. And so delicious. You're going to love it. What I love about it is that it's gluten-free, and the extra flavor that I added to it, it is completely perfect. You don't have to add the butter. That's just for decorations. But guys, if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. Absolutely try this recipe. It is absolutely delicious. You will love it. Everything that you need as far as instructions will be in the description box. Don't worry about it. I hope you make this. If you do, tag me on Instagram at Maxine's Corner. Okay, guys? I'll see you guys next time, and say it with me. Stay healthy.